Christine is here to prove us all wrong that yes, sweets can be healthy as well.
Some of our customers are diabetic, so we have to make sure that all the ingredients go with what they can have as low carb and sugar free, how beneficial they are, and know how nourishing they are. They are not only healthy and good for your well being, but they also contain many vitamins which are also good for you. So the future of baking is about balance, satisfying sweet cravings, genuinely caring for health and gut wellness, and sustainability, with many people thinking that healthy is tasteless or it's boring. So I've made it my mission to change.